Right, let's talk about find the user active minutes. So we have a log array. So log I represent ID and time. So the multiple user can perform action simultaneously, and a single user can perform multiple action in the same minutes. But the problem is the UAM, the user active minutes, for a given user is defined as a number of unique minutes. So basically, this question, I reread the question a couple times and I still didn't get it until I see some other explanation. So this is pretty much a solution. So here it is. So the ID 0, so I have ID, I have a minute, right? So ID 0, you do the work at minute 5, right? And ID 1, you do the work at minute 2, and then ID 0, you do it at minute 2, ID 0, you do it at minute 5, and then 1, you have 3, minute 3. So the idea is like, if you have a set minute, even though it's actually duplicate, you cannot use it. So you get rid of the 5, right? And for every single ID, this is the size of 2, right? So when you want to return a value, and then you have a in array size of k, so size of k, a new int, size of k, right? So you have starting from 1 to k, right? And then this is size of 2, right? So it's going to be okay. So initially you have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, right? So imagine the size is 5. And then there's a size of 2. Then basically you just increment 1. And then you have another ID, which is size of 2. So you increment your size of 2, which is 2. So therefore the answer is actually 0, 2, 0, 0, 0. And the same idea for this one. You have 1, and then the time is 1. 2 is actually 2 and 3. So this is size of 1, size of 2. So size of 1, size of 2 follow in array. So this question is pretty straightforward. We can actually use a hash map. So look at it. This is a key. This is a set, right? You cannot have duplicate. So this is pretty much it. And then you create an array to traverse a hash map. And here we go. So I have a hash map. I have integer, and I have hash set. And hash set for integer, right? I'm going to call map, and then you have map. And then I traverse a log array, and then I need to initialize my hash set, right? So a method put if absent. So I will put log 0, I put ID, and then I will initialize a hash set, right? And then I will get my ID first, and then I will add the number to the hash set, right? Now I need to create an array. I'm going to call result. I'm going to call new in k, size of k, return result, right? And then I need to traverse my map. So it will be in k, p. So it's going to be map.keyset, right? Now I need to increment based on the size of the current key, right? So it's going to be result at map.getKey size, right? And since we're starting from the array space starting index is 0, so you need to subtract by 1 and then you increment. So this is pretty much a solution. And submit. Alright, so let's talk about time and space. So this is going to be space, and this is space as well. This is all of k, this is all of n, and definitely all of n is greater than all of k. So the space is all of n, and this is all of n for the time, and this is all of the size of the map. But size of the map is always less than all of n, right? So time is going to be all of n as well. So this is a solution, and I will see you next time. Bye.